Pam, welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Yeah.
How are you feeling, man?
Yeah, I'm so excited now.
Awesome.
Yes.
First time jumping?
First time free fall.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Do you understand all the instructions that Rodney gave you?
Yes. Good.
Perfect, man. Any messages for your friends and family before we go?
Yeah. Okay. Hello, hi, and hi. I'm going to skydive now. You will see me there now. Yes. Thank you.
Awesome, man. Have lots of fun. I'll see you in the sky.
Thank you.
Welcome back, man. How was that?
It's awesome.
Yeah, you look
Very
like you
nice.
had fun.
Yes, yes, a lot of
Great
fun.
job, man.
Yes.
Well done. Thank you for jumping in Skydive Dubai.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Yeah. Of course.